Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2013 Scion FR-S. This Scion is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-liter engine, manual transmission, and has 58,330 miles. Rev up your drive with this 2013 Scion FR-S. Experience thrilling performance and sporty style in a stylish, compact design. Perfect for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Don't miss out, schedule your test drive today. Automobile dashing away. This pre-owned FR-S comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, alloy wheels, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Scion FR-S is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.